This game is called Spell the Word. Let's do medium. Okay.
Spell hummingbird.
Humming. Oh. Thing. Hummingbird.
Spell helicopter.
What? Okay, never mind. Oliver Tree? I believe the word was
Spell
not Oliver Tree.
Plunger.
Plunger. 11 blocks, good. Bruh, why was it that for the word before plunger, somebody put Oliver Skibidi Eliminator?
Spell dustpan.
What? Dust pan. Oh, I actually got it right. Pele, Dust Man.
Spell floss.
Blocks. I swear, somebody puts blocks. Never mind. Floss. Folk. Folk Valley
Spell
reference.
Dusting.
Dusting. Can't believe we got a Folk Valley reference. Pele, Tutu, Duster. What the hell?
Spell sculpture.
Sculpture. Sculpted? What?
Spell
Sculpted?
mending.
I wonder what sculpted is. Oh, I was first. What? I wonder what hashtag
Spell
means.
biography.
Biography. Wait, how did I actually get that correct? I believe I'm in second place. I believe I was in second place. Never mind, I was in third. Tongue, cheese.
Spell kelp.
What the hell? Tongue. Bro, if you're not, help! I'm sad.
Spell plankton.
What, plankton from SpongeBob? But still, the hell you mean? But we are not English, so don't judge. Patrick, plate.
Spell recliner.
What is wrong with people? What is? What the hell? Sock 7! Resigner!
Spell gladiator.
Gladiator. I swear, somebody gets this easy word wrong. Crazy! that? What the
Spell
hell is
saddle.
What the hell is glazer? Seriously, tell me, what the hell is saddle? Saddle? No! Saddle!
Spell musician.
I think that's how you spell it. Oh. But still. Violin!
Spell squirrel.
I'm pretty sure that's. Oh, it is. The hell? Squirrel! 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 Oh my!
Spell kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope. No. Pee-pee? Wait.
Spell schematic.
Oh God, no.
Spell geyser.
Please. Please. Please, no. I mean, that does make sense.
Spell anemone.
Enemy? Never mind. Vanillani! Could you get me on fire?
Spell realtor.
Realtor. Okay. Lawyer! Musketeer, you're homeless!
Spell gondola.
Oh my. Gondolo? Gondolo. What? Oh wow. Wait, I finished in second place? Oh wow. But even the game tells us what device we're on. I'm on phone. This guy's phone. He looks gay. This guy's on a PC. Mobile. Where did everyone go? Wait. The hell? Let's do hard. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to press that.
Spell Mars.
Bro, why do we have easy blood? Why did everyone choose easy? I'm sorry, somebody got get this wrong. I am going to actually never mind. R's. Wow.
Spell snake.
I wonder the hell R's is. That guy's on phone, I'm on phone. That woman's on phone. That guy's on PC. Phone. PC. And the guy next to me is phone.
Spell carrot.
Really?
Spell zombie.
So somebody gets this wrong. I already know somebody got it wrong, I guess. Why is the gay person saying hi? Zombie! Zombie! Hashtag, hashtag, hashtag!
Spell charger.
Oh. Charger. Charging port 20 W. What?
Spell rain.
Nice. What the hell? Nice. Never mind. Sunshine. Rain. What the hell is wrong with people?
Spell rat.
Rat. I swear, if somebody gets this word wrong, I am just never mind. Ratty long. Did bro try to
Spell
Ratty
bird.
from? Did bro try to spell Ratty from Animal Hospital or Ratatouille? What the hell? Retile. Does Bo want to retile or
Spell
something?
lifesaver.
Lifesaver. Man, a statue of me is. Why am I dancing there? What the hell is a keyboard smash? Zoink!
Spell farmer.
Barb. Bro, these kids seriously need to learn spelling in school. How does the... Never mind. The hell does
Spell
mean?
duck.
It's hot in here. What?
Spell spy.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say that word, but one of the words just said D-Y-K-E. Kind of sounds like the, I'm not gonna say it. Glaze? Spion?
Spell
Hashtags?
potato.
What the hell? I mean, hello. Global. What? Potatoes? Pogono? What the actual hell?
Spell monster.
My dad!
Spell mixer.
My dad! Oh no! So scary! Okay, seriously, what the hell? I wonder what the hell. LOL! Bruh! Blender!
Spell
I
Canada.
don't want to dance anymore. But country. I literally have a country flag map on my desk, but I didn't use it because the flag's name is easy. Okay, how does I should speak some favorite country?
Spell
Tell me what
lamp.
the hell? We need a new video now. And now.